So we admit you because you're a student, but in the process while you're here, we are going to help you transform from being that, top student to a leader. And that's what you're coming here to get, is that transformation. That's kind of a really special process that we take a lot of pride in.
Really what graduate students end up doing a lot is they have to learn how to present their science, how to tell a story, how to write scientific publications. And so I think a good mentor kind of addresses all of those areas. And one thing I think is amazing about our graduate program is that there's a lot of opportunities for hands-on and field experience. So a lot of our graduate students will spend time on ships or doing things in coastal areas, but a lot of them go out into the field or do a lot of work, hands-on work in the lab.
My favorite aspects are the different research projects that I know that other people have been working on. So as I mentioned before, I'm doing my research on white shark tourism in Cape Cod, which was a really unique opportunity that I was able to even get to do that. But if you talk to any of my peers, none of our research really overlaps, and I think that that's really cool. We have a department of about 10 people that graduated this year. I was looking at white sharks. One of my friends was helping an offshore wind company research lobster populations. One of my other friends was looking at people that fish on the coast for subsistence. And so there's just a lot of different research opportunities, and I really loved talking to people about their research.
Working in my lab has been great. I have a lot of lab mates who are doing similar things. So all of my lab mates work in environmental epigenetics, so all of their questions are similar, but we all have a different mechanism that we're going after. There's a different aspect of metabolism that we're going for that's slightly different, and because we're slightly different but under this big umbrella, I've gotten to learn so much from my lab mates, and kind of guiding each other through the process has been really valuable too, because they're still learning, I'm still learning, but we get to do it together, which is great.
So there's a whole array of research opportunities that all the students get to see and interact with other students that may not be working in the same area, but apply some of these general tools and approaches to solving problems. I think one of the great things about our programs is that we are small enough that enhances and stimulates that collaboration between not only disciplines within biological sciences, but also between natural and social sciences. But also we are large enough that we have a good critical mass for, in particular, in marine research and also environmental research.